content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Various types of insurance losses, SUVs, crossovers, sedans, you name it. We usually stock it. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Acura MDX A-Spec. So this is the engine compartment. Everything is clean. There's no damage to the front of the vehicle. We'll go over the damaged area in the rear of the vehicle shortly. Just showing you the engine compartment. It's a little dusty. Everything's perfect under the hood. Missing a plastic piece here and a cover for the radiator support here. That's minor. It might be inside the vehicle. Let's do a quick walk around. It's got a little dent on the left front door. That's repairable. Sunroof, no buckles in the roof. We're going over the damage in a minute. So the damage is isolated to the rear of the vehicle. You need a quarter panel glass. You need an outer quarter, left rear, driver's side rear quarter skin. Just fairly easy to replace. The insurance company cut it out to check the structure behind it. You got a little damage there. A little damage on the tailgate, that's repairable. Let's walk around. No damage to the exhaust, which is good. Get expensive. The rest of the vehicle looks pretty clean. There goes a piece of the quarter skin that they cut out. Interior is pretty nice. No airbags are deployed. All the loose panels are back there. The vehicle does run and drive. This would be a nice builder for somebody. We'll post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.